Austin Mayfield on why you don't quit your job. 2 reasons. Number 1, judgment. You're scared, deathly scared about other people's opinions, what everybody is going to think. Criticism. Nobody likes to be criticized. You got to get over that if you're going to chase your dreams. Get out of your 9-to-5 job that you hate, or if you're a current business owner, want to make a change, sell your current business, get into another type of business. Judgment. You're worried about judgment. What's your family going to think? What are your friends going to think? Oh, what if I fail? What if I fail? You can always go get another job. Jobs can be had on every corner right now in the United States of America because nobody wants to work, okay? You can always go get another job. So, failure. Rule it out. Rule out failure. So what if you fail? You can try again. If you run out of money, go get another job. Start process again until you succeed on chasing your dreams. These are why people do not quit their jobs, and they're stuck in obscurity. They're deathly scared to go chase their dreams, and they'll end up retiring from a career that they didn't really enjoy, a job that they hated, and they'll end up living off their retirement check, pinching pennies until the day they die. I don't know about you, but that's not my idea of a success story or chasing my dreams. Austin Mayfield here. Hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Till next time. Thanks.